This is the video tutorial about removing the unwanted browser extension called Cute Foxes. Cute Foxes is the unwanted browser extension indeed. This extension functions as a typical browser hijacker, which may change the default search engine settings without the user's permission. So if this extension was installed, your default search engine would be changed into something else, which is definitely beyond your control or desire. So if you don't want your browser to remain hijacked, you need to remove this extension. So access the menu, Extensions, Manage Extensions, and remove this malicious extension if you find it here. I also recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.